This is Fox 26 Morning News at 9 a.m. Connected to you.
Well, you've probably heard of hair extensions, but did you also know you can apply the same principle to your eyelashes? And we're not talking about old-fashioned false eyelashes with all that messy glue. Here to explain how it works are Barbara Radigan, the founder of Shavasana Eyelash Extensions. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Also, Pamela Flores with Maquillage Pro Beauty, and the lovely model, Tana McMullen. Good.
Also have some lash serum options. A lot of people know about Latisse, which is a chemical-based lash serum. Really the trend moving forward is to utilize a product that uses natural herbs, vitamins, peptides to make your natural lashes grow. So we have the Shavasana Max 2 Lash Tonic, and then I had also brought in the Enviderm, which is another one of my favorites.
All right.
And they really do work.
Well, very helpful information, and we've got some beautiful lashes going on back here, and
Yeah,
we
they look
appreciate you
fantastic.
letting us watch. They look really nice. Thanks, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
great being here.
Jake?